I did like that move there. It looked pretty good, but is it just gonna reject off this handoff VWAP is the question. Starting to push into those orders again here, and some volume coming on. But is that seller volume is the question actually. It kind of looked like selling volume because when the volume went up, the price ticked down. So if we can get up there again, I think I'm just gonna put my stop. Can take these 76s and 70, 76, 77. One more attempt here. There we go, getting a little move higher. 75s. We're gonna keep going. Keep going. Come on. There we go. I'm thinking just drop the stop here. Come on, guys. You can take that. You can take it. Take it. Yeah, we got a little tick higher there. One tick higher. Pulling back again.
Music licensing reimagined.
Up 75 on this trade. 62.50. Come on, guys. Here we go. Need just a little bit more. Rejecting off that handoff VWAP, unfortunately, and those orders, big order block there. I'm dropping the stop. Hit that take profit. There we go. I'm out. Nice trade.